Vegan Camp Thailand, the 4th of March 2026. Usually I eat my breakfast directly from the fruit. I will just eat it. But today I'm inside because the air outside is very not good. And for breakfast we will have two different types of bananas and papaya. The local type of the orange is very nice. The local people don't like to eat so much local fruit because they have been eating it a lot. So like maybe people in Europe are tired of apples. People are here are tired of their papayas and bananas, and a big glass of water with lime juice. It's very nice. Right now I think it's around 8:30, 9 o'clock, and the air quality outside is on the AQI scale is over 200 right now, because the people on the mountains have been burning all kind of stuff. So I was just during February, I was thinking, wow, what good weather we have. And I see people posting and cycling in Chiang Mai. Wow, good weather. And it was good weather. We had some rain, some winds, which dissipated the smoke. And then boom, 2 days ago, it just started to go downhill for the air quality, unfortunately. And now it's like very dry and very not nice. So wear your protection for your air, your lungs and your airways. I use a full mask with replaceable filters, and yeah, that's how it goes. We need to protect ourselves, and inside the room, air filters with pipes like this. So this is just a very simple, and then this one, and then it will work as patlum, as a ventilator too, so you can get a bit of cooling too. And from the outside also a filter, and then a pipe that will blow fresh air, which is quite important if you have a room that is pretty sealed. It's good to have some air from the outside to go in, so you don't accumulate high CO2 levels. And we can still see some of the mulberries. Currently the mulberries are not sweet. They're very like watery and sour, and but the birds still like them. And the birds are really nice to have around because they will destroy many evil things like mosquitoes and other pests that can damage other plants too. During February we have been finalizing some of the electric installations and building the new bathrooms, and now the final trench for electric conduit going to the guest house like further away is being dug. Mangoes need to be bagged soon. Some of the mangoes that weren't developed very well died during the rain, but I think we still will have a lot of mangoes, and I will still wait a little bit before bagging the mangoes because they need to be a little bit stronger, and some of them will drop because of that there are too many of them, and there's no reason to bag the ones that will drop anyway. So, and limes are also coming up. There's many, I don't know, 4 or 5 lime trees that are getting limes, but it's like very dry, so they're not like super healthy right now.
Did you see that worm?
Very difficult to see the mountains now.